Welcome students. Today we are going to see some problems of physics. We are going to study a table and try to complete the table. In this table we got the value of u. U means initial velocity. We got the value of a. A means acceleration. We got the value of t. T means time. And we got an kinematical equation. And then we have to fill the table. The unit of velocity is meter per second. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. And the unit of time is second. The equation which is given to us is V is equal to U plus AT. Here, initial velocity is 0 meter per second. The acceleration which is given is equal to 5 meter per second square. The time which is given is 5 second and we have to find V. V is what? The final velocity. Now we will consider the equation. V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to, what is the value of U? 0. Plus, what is the value of A? 5. Into, what is the value of time? 5. So V is equal to 0. 5 5 are 25. V is equal to 25 and the unit of velocity is meter per second. So we'll fill up the column. Now we will consider the second equation and try to fill up the table which is given to us. Again, what is the equation we have got? We have got the equation V is equal to U plus AT. Here in the table U we have to find, that is initial velocity. A is 1 meter per second square. Time is equal to 8 second and final velocity is given 16 meter per second. The equation V is equal to U plus AT. Now we will put the values. What is V? V is 16 is equal to, what is U? U we don't know. Plus, what is A? A is 1. What is 8? What is T? T is 8. So 16 is equal to U plus 1 into 8 is 8. We'll take the 8 to the other side of equation and plus 8 will become minus 8. 16 minus 8 is equal to U. So U is equal to 8. Therefore, U is equal to 8. What is the unit of velocity? It is what? Meter per second. And the answer, initial velocity is 8 meter per second. see the next example. The equation which is given, we have to find S. S is what? Displacement. U 4 into T plus half A 10. T is what? 2. 2 square. U is 4. T is 2 plus half. A is 10. T is 2 square. Correct. 8 plus half into 10 into 2 to the 4. S is equal to 8 plus 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. 10 into 2. S is equal to 8 plus 10 to the 20. S is equal to 28, and the unit for displacement is what? Meter. The next example which we are going to study here. Here U is equal to 16. A 16 meter per second. A we don't know. T is equal to 5 second. S is equal to 105 meter. Equation S is equal to UT plus half AT square. 105 is equal to 16 into 5 plus half A into 5 square. 105 is equal to 16 into 5, 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carry, 5 1 the 5 plus 3, 8, 80. 80 plus half a into 25. 105, 80 will take to the other side of equation, it will be minus 80 is equal to 25a upon 2. 80, 90, 105. 25 is equal to 25a upon 2. We'll take the 2 to the other side of the equation. 25 into 2 is equal to 25a. Now we'll keep a as it is equal to 25 into 2, and the 25 will bring down. Cut. Therefore, A is equal to 2 meter per second square. So we'll write here A is equal to 2 meter per second square. Meter per second. We'll see the third example. The equation which is given to us is v square is equal to u square plus twice as. Here u is 3 meter per second square. Acceleration is equal to 5 meter per second square. Displacement is equal to, we have to find out, and v is given 7. V square is equal to 7 square. V square is equal to 49. V square is equal to u square plus twice as. We'll put the value. V square is what? 49 is equal to u square is what? U is what? 3. Means we write 3 square plus twice a is 5 and displacement is s. 49 is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 5 2s are 10 s. Now we will take 9 to the other side of the equation, it will become minus 9. 49 minus 9 is equal to 10 s. 40 is equal to 10 s. We will keep s as it is. S is equal to 40 divided by 10, 10 1 the 10, 10 4 the 40. So x is equal to 4, and as it is displacement will write meter. The next example we are going to study. We have to find A is equal to 2 meter per second square. S is equal to 11 and V is equal to 12. So V square is equal to 12 square. V square is equal to 144. We have the equation V square is equal to U square plus twice AS. 144 is equal to U. We don't know, so we'll keep U as U square plus twice A is into 2 into displacement is 11. 144 is equal to U square plus 2 to the 4 into 11. 144 is equal to U square plus 4 into 11 is 44. Now we will take 44 to the other side of the equation. 144 minus 44 is equal to U square. 100. 100 is equal to U square. U is equal to under root 100. So U is equal to 10 and the unit of initial velocity is meter per second. We'll stop student here and in the next class we'll again solve some problems regarding physics. Thank you very much.